Hi, and welcome to this quick 5-minute warm-up, perfect before any workout or just to get some movement into your day. We have 50 seconds for each move, followed by 10 seconds in order to transition. Let's go ahead and get started. We reach up, come up on the toes, side stretch, and then same side left arm, reach across the body and step across. Other side, reach up. Side stretch. Reach across the body. And reach. Leg out, cross. Grow tall. Next, take a wide position. Hands on top of the thighs. We're going to roll down, roll back up, roll the shoulders. Lunge to one side, come up and roll the one shoulder. We squat down. Tuck the chin, round the back, roll up. Lunge to the side, roll the shoulder, and squat. Nice big dynamic movements here, warming up the whole body. And side lunge, and roll. Side lunge, and roll. Right foot comes to the front, hips come to the back. We reach down, cactus the arms, and then squeeze in and out. Join me. Reach forward, flex that foot. Squeeze the elbows down and back, squeeze together, and open. Reach down, keeping a straight spine here. Warming up those hamstrings. Now let's switch side. Left leg comes forward, hinge forward, cactus down, squeeze and open. Maybe going a little bit further down each time. Let's get one more in. Big reach down. Feet underneath the hips, hands on the hips. And we're going to do some hip circles here, 2 to the left, and then just the left leg comes out with 2 hip circles. Let's go the other side. 2 big hip circles. Make them as big as you can. Right leg, up and around, up and around. It's okay if your knee doesn't come that high, and hold onto a chair if you need to. Get all those cricks and cracks out. Great for hip mobility. Really put that pelvis forward, side and back. And finally, we have one high knee as we reach up. We stretch back, pop the heel, bicep curl, and press back. Join me. High knee, press back. Little curl and press back. We'll switch halfway through. Stretch. Pop the knee, pop the heel, press back, up, and reach. Nice job. Let's switch sides. Left leg, press back, curl, and reach. Up, press back, bend, and straighten. Nice job. That's it. You're ready for your workout.